Today, we're talking about cases for AirPods Pro. What's up, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and I am sure many of you fall into the same category, but you love your AirPods Pro. Now, in the past, we did a video of our favorite cases for AirPods and the AirPods 2, the second gen wireless version. And it's been a little while because these things were so new, but we finally have a bunch of new third-party cases, a lot launched at CES or even just in the past few weeks. So AirPods Pro cases, from at least the good ones, have taken a while to get out here. And now that we have some, we're doing our roundup, our favorite cases for the AirPods Pro. Now, we saw the comments on the last video. A lot of people said, oh, a case for my case. There are a couple different reasons why you may want a case. First up, style. There's a lot of these all look the same. So while your earbuds are going to look the same, there's an easy way to at least accessorize this to look a little bit different from everyone else out there who has the same thing. The other reason may be just protection. These white cases scuff like crazy. You can see all the damage that's been done on these cases just in the short time that I've had these, because there have not been a lot of options for AirPods Pro cases. So whether you're going to resell this or you want to gift it to somebody else or pass this down to someone else in your family, do you want to do it with a scuffed up case that's been, dinged up from going in your pocket all the time? I don't want to, so I'd rather protect it, keep it pristine, and pass it on to someone else when I am eventually done with these or I upgrade to a new version down the line. So just something to keep in mind of protecting these. Really then just protection as well for if you drop it. So it's not just scrapes and scuffs from going in and out of your pocket, but if you drop these things, they'll come open, your AirPods can come out, you can get them more severely damaged. So it's just a good idea in general. If you're protecting your phone, protect your AirPods Pro. They're not cheap, so tossing a case on these is not a bad idea by any means. Now, a lot of these cases are sleek, some can add bulk, but it just depends on what you're doing. Some of these have additional functionality that these don't have, like being able to clip them on the side of a bag. So there's a lot of reasons why people may want an AirPods Pro case. So without all that kind of explanation out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in to our favorite cases for the AirPods Pro. The first AirPods Pro case we're going to look at is from Nomad. So Nomad has two different versions of the AirPod Pro case. One comes in brown, one comes in black. So you have at least two color options to choose from when you're looking at a Nomad AirPods Pro case. So the cases themselves, they're made out of Horween leather, which is sourced from the Chicago-based Horween tannery, one of the oldest running tanneries in the US. So it's really high quality leather. We've seen their leather on other products like their phone cases and their wallets, and it ages beautifully. It looks so great the more that you use it. So we've used these for a while on our regular AirPods, and they look great as well. So we're excited to see them bring their new versions to the AirPods Pro. And if you have not caught up on these in a while, there's been some changes since their original version. There's now a microfiber lining in here, which helps protect your AirPods better. They have a little light tube, essentially, that allows the LED light to come through easier. So with just a hole punched through, it can kind of hurt. You can't see it very well from different angles. So the hole punch through makes it a little bit easier to actually see that light when you are charging these. Of course, it works with wireless charging. There's also a lanyard mount on the side. So if you pick up Nomad's lanyard, they actually designed their own lanyard. So if you pick that up, you can attach that to the side of these so you can carry them on your wrist or affix them to your pocket, side to the bag, anything like that that you just want to make sure you don't lose these things. So another little handy addition there since the original version. So that's the Nomad AirPods Pro rugged case. Very nicely designed, comes in both brown and black. The next one we're checking out is from Aalto. Now, funny enough, when we had the original Aalto AirPods cases, they were probably our most asked about case. We just had them on in the background of a lot of shots, and so many people asked about them, especially this color here, which is kind of their signature color. They call it caramel, but it's like a lighter brown. So it's not the normal darker brown you see from a lot of the other cases. It's this caramely color of brown, and honestly I think it looks great. It's really cool. It stands out. They use Italian leather in their cases versus a lot of the other genuine leathers that come out. So the Italian leather has a nice aniline dye finish. They look phenomenal. They have an Aalto logo on their front. They do just have a simple punch out for the hole, but otherwise just overall solid cases. They look great. We have them here in both this, or all three colors. We have in cement gray, this caramel brown, and then raven black. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, you like this kind of Italian polished looking leather versus more of a rugged leather. It just depends on which one you want. This will still wear a little bit, but has more of a pristine, shiny finish. different colors that you normally see, like the gray and the caramel here. So a different option coming from Aalto versus the other leather ones that we've seen. As we continue with our AirPods Pro cases rather, the next one up here, this guy is from Native Union. Now Native Union did a few cool things here that I really dig. So one, this is just made out of leather. There's no shell on the inside. This is completely flexible versus the other cases that are out there. So it's a completely fabric or leather based case with no polycarbonate lining. So it just a little bit of a difference there. And there's also not that black bar that you see in the other ones that go around the top and around the bottom. It's actually, you can see the stitching, which just looks a little bit more hand done than some of the other ones. It looks a little more of a craftsmanship detail that they put in on these cases. You can still see the light hole in the front. You can still press the button on the back because there is no shell, so it's actually easy to press down on that button on the back if you ever needed to. So a little bit of difference here with these. I really love how these came out. The stitching is just really cool. It just gets rid of any plastic these may have inside of them. So great work on these. But if you don't want a leather case, they have another option for you as well. This is their curve case, which is a silicone type case. But instead of just going with a normal silicone case, they put this really awesome texture to it, this feel to it. It looks really cool. It feels really good. It's grippy. It just feels a little bit more of a step up than your standard run-of-the-mill silicone cases. So they launched this guy as well. Another great option if you're looking for something that's not a leather one, but you still want something that's distinct, something classy, and not just a normal skin or a sleeve to throw around the outside. So this is the curve case from Native Union. If you're looking for an AirPods Pro case that adds a little bit of functionality as well as protection, then you should probably check out the AirSnap Pro from 12 South. So these come in a few different colors again, like a light blue, there's the brown here, there's a black one I believe. So a few different color options for these, but a few distinct differences here. First, it clips shut, it snaps shut. So you can open these up and it's going to protect your AirPods. If they fall, it's not going to come open and this is not going to fall off. Some of the other shell style cases, they can pop off when they kind of hit something. So this prevents that. You're never going to have a problem with this coming open and your AirPods spilling out. So protection here. You also have the clip on the side. So it comes with both a lanyard included and an S-clip. So you don't have to put them both together like I've done here. You can use one or the other. So if you'd prefer just to use the S-clip, go with that. If you prefer to use the lanyard, go with that. They're easy to attach on. You can clip this to the side of a bag, onto a loop on your jeans. Same thing with this wristlet. You have a few different options. Now this does add more bulk. This is probably the bulkiest case of them because their stitching on the outside goes around this way rather than more seamless like the Native Union one. So the AirSnap Pro does add a little bit of bulk to your AirPods, but overall it's a very stylish case, comes in some really cool distinct colors, and I love that you have the S-clip and the wristlet lanyard included in the box. You don't have to pick either of those up separately. Choose the one you want, and it's a little bit more modular, a little bit more protective for your AirPods. So a lot of the cases for AirPods Pro that we've looked at so far, they're a little bit more on the higher end. A lot of them are leather, and they're just a little bit more up there in price. So a lot of people don't want to have to spend that much money, you know, 30 to 40 or so dollars on a case for their AirPods. So if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper and looking for something a little bit more fun, then we'd recommend checking out Catalyst. Catalyst has a ton of cases available for AirPods, all generations of them. And they have a bunch of really crazy colors. We've got this neon yellowish green. We've got a blue one here. So a ton of different ones. And we've looked at their other cases. We have them for our AirPods. And they have like a ring case with a clip on the side. They have watertight ones. They have a bunch of different options. And I'm sure a lot of those lines are going to come to the AirPods Pro too. So if you are looking for something a little bit more fun, stylish, a little bit more on the cost-effective end, then check out Catalyst. They have some cool options available and some functional ones that I expect will come down the line as well. A few things just to note, they do have a see-through port on the front, so the light does come through the front of these, and it sits very, very flush, very slim, so you're going to be able to see it very easily through the case itself. And on the back, they will have a designator where the button is, so you don't have to feel around for it. You can easily find where the button is on the backs of these cases. If you can kind of see there in the picture, that button, if you have to pair these manually, pair them to a second iPhone or something like that for the sharing mode, they have that built in there. So it's just easy to see that, easy to find. So that is the Catalyst cases for AirPods. So what do you guys think? Those are our favorite cases so far for AirPods Pro. but I'm sure there's going to be a lot more coming out. This is just what we have so far, some of our best ones, our favorite ones we've been able to collect so far, so close to the launch of AirPods Pro. We know AirPods Pro are constrained and people are still trying to get their hands on them, but they love them. So I want to hear what you guys think. Are you for or against cases on your AirPods Pro? And if you do go with a case, which one do you guys like? Do you like the silicone ones from Catalyst? Do you like the rugged ones from Nomad? Do you prefer the cool colors from Aalto? Do you prefer the protection and the snapping features of the 12 South model? Or do you prefer the really simple, elegant, and craftsmanship found on the Native Union ones? There's a wide variety out there, and I'd love to hear what you guys think. If you want to pick up any of these cases, there's links down below in the description, and of course, let me know what you think on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.